Hello everyone, welcome back to Carmen Randan Vlog and Adventure. Today we're going to Pojera. Same my friend with me. It's Jessa and Darpal, the Italian guy.
Italian.
It's so white. So we're on the way to Pojera, guys. So actually, it's my first time to visit this Diva Pojera. And how to get there is just take it's only land trip from my place going to beach around 1.5 hours, depend on the speed actually. So because our driver is too slowly, so we need 5 hours. Well, how much? 1 hour, 1.5?
Yeah,
1.5 hours. 1 hour 20 minutes I said. So we just visit which place we're going to visit there.
Diva Laka Beach.
Big Diva Laka Beach. And what else?
Coracocan.
We can find in the beach mermaid.
Yeah.
Really? Mermaid. Oh my god. Okay guys, so let's go. We'll see you later guys at Pojera. So we're on the way now. We're on the road. So I'll show you the road. So see you. In 3 hours now we are in the road, so it's quite far until now we not arrived at Pojera. This is Pojera, right? Not yet.
Diva.
This is Diva.
The way to Diva.
The way to Diva. How do you spell it?
Diva.
Spell.
Diva.
Before Corfocan Tunnel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to enter the Corfocan Tunnel later. So until we're still on the road right now, so we still how many minutes? I think we have 40 minutes more, or because already we have 20 minutes, no? So we have 1 hour, 60 minutes more going to arrive to Diva. Diva sabi nila, ganon. And you can see the road like it's very nice. Ayun lang pinakagusto ko kasi lawak-lawak na kanilang daan. At the same time, semento talaga lahat na semento kasemento talaga siya guys. As you can see, ang ganda ng mga mountain kasi parang feeling mo na sa ka sa pictorial, sa picture ba, diba? It's so amazing, it's magnificent, ganon. Oh my god, we don't have petrol. Kalil push the car, I'm driving the car. So guys, 2 hours na. So we can check it. Oh my god. Ang ganda ng dito ma'am, no? First time nakapunta dito mo, ma'am? Wala, how to climb the mountain? No road, no trees, no everything. Quiet.
Cheaper.
Too much cheaper here, right?
Yeah.
Houses cheap, right? So, okay. So by the way, see you again later when you are rich. Oh my god. So nice here. But when the part show me that you make fish here at this area. You take fish this area? Oh my god, it's moving. Oh my god. Kalid da. Ay, naku, nahilo ako dahil. Wait. So guys, nahilo ako guys. Kasi si Khalid ginalagay na sa ano.
Madami sisa.
Ay! Maregla pa naman ako guys. So guys, we arrived here already. Madali. Ba't walang nobody here?
Ay, dapat kumuha ka pala ng plastic.
Bakit?
Plastic. Para kumuha ka ng buhangin.
Bakit naman? Para
Ihan ng pusa.
Meron si Khalid sa bahay. Ah, dyan sa ano, sasakyan niya.
Kasi
I think we have to sleep sleepers, no?
Yeah, I need to remove the sleeper. Oh, the rocks you cannot.
Ah, we cannot go to the rocks, ma'am. Let's go, guys. Lumulubog magpapaanga ako. So, as you can see, guys, yeah. Nandito kami sa beach sa Pujera. Oh my god. It's so quiet, you know, it can remove your stress in your life. And kasi kung maraming kayong problema, guys, you can go to the beach and listen to the sound of the waves. You will forget everything. That's I noticed. Like me, I have something in suffering right now about my heart, but I try to overcome slowly because not easy, you know that. So we're here, so I'll show you the beach now, guys. So that's the beach, you can see. There's rocks here. This we are in Pujera, guys. So mas ang sarap niya, ang linaw ng tubig, as you can see. And this the white guy, this Italian guy with me. And hello, mommy. Ayan. So where we go, Khalid? So we're going here. We're going up there? We're going up?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, we can hide because I make pipi. Don't see may ano ha, Oh, I like the. Why are you wearing slippers here?
You cannot walk without sleeper.
Ah, ang lambot ng ano, guys. O see, the sand. Ang lambot niya. So we're going here. This is stone, right? Oh my god, I'm scared. Maybe I fall down in the ano. Okay, we're coming here. So now, okay, we have to wear the slippers because we're going up in the way. Because our tour guide here. So, okay, guys. Ay nako. Ay, Khalid, nakakainis ka naman. Oh my god. It's ano. Ma'am Chic, kaya mo ba?
Oh no!
Ayaw mo? Gusto ko naman kung doon sa ano. Well, say slowly, nauutot ako. Ay, nako. Walang hiya to si Khalid eh. Guys, ang hirap ng buhay ko, guys. Puro bato-bato. Difficult. Ay! Ayan. Naku, madadapat. Ay, naku, Diyos ko. Kasi ang hirap naman, Diyos ko, dahil buwis buhay talaga to na. Stone kasi. Oh my God. Guys, ang hirap. Totoo lang, ang hirap talaga. Ang pinagagawa ko, guys. Yeah. It's not slippery here. See? Why like this here, Khalid? Ay! Nako! Khalid, nakakainis ka. Oh, you make video for me. Hoy, bakla. You hold for this and make video for me. Ay, nakakainis ka naman eh. Oh, you hold it. Make video for me. Careful ha. Wait, tanga, video for me. It's working? Ang hirap kasi Khalid, di no? Oh my God. Diyos ko! Ang hirap. Only here. Private property that trespass is not allowed, no?
No, but we are not entering inside.
Were you going there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, give me, because you're busy with your ano, paklaka. Okay guys, we going here. Talaga, pinahirapan ako ni Khalid. Oh my God, you know ba guys, it's big stone kasi guys, kaya natatakot ako. Baka madulas ako. Huh?
5 minutes later.
Guys, I'm so sorry, I'm done with a beach visit. Beach, and what kind of beach is one?
Halaka.
Halaka Beach. Halaka talaga kasi nalaglag ako sa bato.
Halaka.
Yan na itong halaka. So if I something happened with my legs, so I stopped the vlog because too much blood coming in my feet. So maybe I just have to clean it. I have
The
to.
doctor was there, no?
Then the doctor is not there, so I need to go to hospital.
Doctor is there.
Dr. Wakwak, Dr. Wakwak there. So that's why I was so amazing before. I was so amazed when it said Halaka Beach. So it's really, I know the why Halaka, because it's Halaka.
Hala.
Hala, nadapa si bakla. Hala,
Say halak.
hala, sa bakla na sleep.
Sometimes when you
Gosh.
watching the videos, looking the mobile
My
while
God.
walking, you have to focus also.
Yeah.
The
I'm
floor.
focusing, but I
The-
slept on the rocks actually, because the rocks is like, you know, it's hard.
That's
I
why you
I
have
can
to be careful
explain.
walking.
Hindi ka makapit.
So why I didn't
Ang paa
follow?
mo sis hindi makapit sa mga ganyan.
Siguro kasi yung
I not follow?
chinelas ko madulas eh.
Because
Hindi ako nakapaamam, naka-chinelas ako eh.
Kaya nga, hindi pa makapit.
Hindi pa ganun kakapit, no?
Kaya nga. Kaya
Natulos-
medyo ako tumuloy, dahil alam ko yung chinelas ko madulas eh. Ay,
Oh my gosh. By the way, it's okay guys. I'm sorry. So, yun la. Hanggang doon, alam mo na yung vlog ko doon sa Halaka Beach. Kasi talagang Halaka talaga yung beach na yun.
Halaka.
Albidia meron
Hindi
pa.
pala halaka.
Ah, this
Hindi
one
halak-
Albidia.
Hindi halaka. Halaka.
Halaka Beach.
Al-Aka. Al-Aka.
Oh my God. Because kali Al-Aka Beach, but it's not Alaka. Halaka Beach because Halaka, nadapa siya.
This one
Ganon.
Sandy Beach. You want to go Sandy Beach?
No need the beach anymore because I have my pain. I want to go to fountain, artificial fountain. It's the same beach, no? I have the
This
Halaka
is the place for the snorkeling.
snorkeling.
Sandy Beach. Check.
Okay. I will check things. So when we come back, we can pass by there.
Pass by